Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 9 power 2023 minus 9 power 2022. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write 2023 as 2022 plus 1 minus 9 power 2022. Now according to the exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 9 power 2022 times 9 power 1 minus 9 power 2022. Now I can take 9 power 2022 as common. So what is left? 9 minus 1. So 9 power 2022 times 8. If we write the base in terms of prime number, so we can write 9 as 3 square and whole power is 2022. Similarly, 8 as 2 power 3. So according to the exponent rule, x power n, you can write it as x power mn. So 3 power 2 times 2022 times 2 power 3. So we can write the answer as 2 power 3 times 3 power 4044. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.